The coffee machine. So first, to take out this part, there's a button here, eject. You push it, and you turn to the left, and then down. Some old grind, so we're gonna have to dump that in the trash. There we go. Give it a little rinse. You don't get the leftover grinds in your coffee. Okay. Now, you need to make sure there's enough water. The water has to be above this little line here. So to fill up the water, you take this out. Just put in some water. We drink the tap water here, it's fine. Fill it up. Put it in. And then the starting position is here, straight up. And then you turn it on, this button, and it will blink. And you need to wait until it stops blinking.
Meanwhile,
for it to be ready. Yeah, meanwhile, put your coffee in here. So there's this little spoon in here. If you want one shot, do 1 spoonful, like a pretty heavy one, a pretty big one. And we're gonna do 2. I'm gonna do 2 spoons. And then you just kind of have to make sure it's evenly distributed. Put that back there. Okay, stop blinking. So now we put all the way to the left, and then you turn it to the right until you can't push it anymore. All right, so that's ready. Get coffee mugs. We're gonna do a double here, so you're gonna put one under each little spout there. And then you turn it to the right to the coffee position when you're ready to make the coffee. And if you want just 1 shot, you do this button. And if you want 2 shots, you do this one. So we're gonna do 2. And the coffee will go down, just make sure your cups are aligned. And it will stop by itself, so you don't have to worry about stopping it. If you want to stop it before, if it's too much, you just push this button again and it will stop it. Getting some good footage here, huh? It's good stuff.
Love this camera.
This coffee is amazing.
You'll be drinking this all day.
Yeah.
Many trips to the sink.
All right. Oh, what's happening? Oh, okay. Now it stopped. Now, if you want to do steamed milk, you turn the knob over here to this like little thermostat kind of icon, and then this is gonna blink again, and so it's basically getting ready to steam the milk. This is the steamer for the milk. If you use it a lot, you really need to clean it. See, this is kind of gross. We should clean it, otherwise it gets clogged and then it won't work. So just like rinse it with some hot water. Okay. And then it just goes back on there. You turn to the right to click it in. And then we're gonna put the milk in this bad boy. Whoa, okay. And then to turn on the steamer, so first put the spout all the way in the milk, and then turn it to the far left, to this icon, and you hold it. And then you steam your milk. Get halfway, you get some foam. nice and hot, and then we turn it all the way off back to the middle position, and we turn off the machine. And then you need to wipe this down immediately to avoid the milk getting all clogged. We got our coffee. We got our milk.
I mean,
Foamy, foamy.